Question number 1. The heart is primarily composed of which type of muscle tissue? Your option is A. Skeletal muscle, B. Smooth muscle, C. Cardiac muscle, D. Connective tissue. Your correct answer is a option C. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is specialized for continuous rhythmic contractions. Question number 2. Which chamber of heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? Your options is A. Right atrium, B. Right ventricle, C. Left atrium, D. Left ventricle. Your correct answer is D. Left ventricle. The left ventricle is the most muscular chamber of the heart, responsible for pumping oxygenated blood to the entire body. Question number 3. The SA node located in the right atrium is often referred to as the pacemaker of the heart valve, cardiac sphincter, aorta. Your correct answer is option A, pacemaker of the heart. The SA node generates electrical impulse that trigger the heart to beat. Question number 4. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Your options is A. Veins, B. Arteries, C. Capillaries, D. Lymphatics. Your correct answer is B. Arteries. Arteries have thick muscular walls to withstand the high pressure of blood pumped from the heart. Question number 5. Which blood vessels allow for the exchange of nutrient and gases between blood and tissues? A. Veins, B. Arteries, C. Capillaries, D. Lymphatics. Your correct answer is C. Capillaries. Capillaries have thin walls that allow for the exchange of substance between the blood and tissues. Question number 6. The process of blood clotting is called A. Hemolysis, B. Hemostasis, C. Hemoglobin, D. Hemophilia. Your correct answer is B. Hemostasis. Hemostasis is a complex process that stops bleeding when a blood vessel is injured. Question number 7. Which component of blood is responsible for carrying oxygen? A. White blood cells, B. Platelets, C. Red blood cells, D. Plasma. Your correct answer is C. Red blood cells. Explanation. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen and transport it throughout the body. Question number 8. The main function of white blood cells is A. Transport oxygen, B. Aid in blood clotting, C. Fight infection, D. Maintain blood pressure. Your correct answer is C. Fight infection. White blood cells are part of immune system and help fight infections. Question number 9. The systolic blood pressure reading reflects the pressure in the arteries when the A. Heart is raised, B. Heart is contracting, C. Heart is filling with blood, D. valves are closed. Your correct answer is D. Heart is contracting. Systolic blood pressure is the highest pressure in the arteries when the heart contracts systole to pump blood out. Question number 10. The diastolic blood pressure reading reflects the pressure in the arteries when the A. Heart is raised, B. Heart is contracting, C. Heart is filling with blood, D. Valves are closed. Your correct answer is A. Heart is raised. Diastolic blood pressure is the lowest pressure in the arteries when the heart is relaxed diastole between beats. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a risk factor for heart disease? A. High blood pressure, B. High cholesterol, C. Smoking, D. Regular exercise. Your correct answer is D. Regular exercise. Regular exercise is the beneficial for overall health and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Question number 12. Atherosclerosis is a condition characterized by the buildup of A. Plaque in the arteries, B. Fluid in the lungs. C. Blood clots in the veins. D. Muscle weakness in the heart. Your correct answer is A. Plague in the arteries. Atherosclerosis is a condition where plaque, a buildup of cholesterol, fat, and other substance form inside the arteries, narrowing them and reducing blood flow. Question number 13. A heart attack occurs when A. The heart stops beating. B. Blood flow to part of the heart is blocked. C. The heart beats too slowly. D. The heart walls become damaged. Your correct answer is B. Blood flow to a part of the heart is blocked. A heart attack occurs when a blood clot blocks one of the coronary arteries which supply blood to the heart muscle. Question number 14. Which of the following is a common symptom of a heart attack? A. Chest pain. B. Shortness of breath. C. Nausea. D. All of the above. Your correct answer is D. All of the above. Common symptoms of a heart attack include chest pain, shortness of breath, nausea, and sweating. Question number 15. Which of the following lifestyle changes can help reduce the risk of heart disease? A. Eating a healthy diet. B. Exercising regularly. C. Maintaining a healthy weight. D. All of the above. Your correct answer is D. All of the above. Lifestyle changes such as eating an healthy diet, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight can help reduce the risk of disease. Question number 16. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of arteries caused by the passage of blood pumped from the heart is known as A. Pulse, B. Blood pressure, C. Heart, D. Respiration. Your correct answer is A. Pulse. The pulse is a rhythmic expansion and contraction of arteries caused by the passage of blood pumped from the heart. Question number 17. The primary function of the lymphatic system is to A. Transport oxygen, B. Filter blood, C. Maintain fluid balance, D. Produce hormones. Your correct answer is C. Maintain fluid balance. The lymphatic system is a network of vessels and organs that help maintain fluid balance in the body, transport immune cells, and absorb fat from the digestive system. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a component of the lymphatic system? A. Lymph nodes, B. Spleen, C. Kidneys, D. Tonsils. Your correct answer is C. Kidneys. The kidneys are part of the urinary system, not the lymphatic system. Question number 19. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the blood and tissues occur in the A. Heart, B. Lungs, C. Kidneys, D. Capillaries. Your correct answer is D. Capillaries. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the blood and tissues occur in the capillaries. Question number 20. The process of breathing involves the inhalation and exhalation of A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Both A and B, D. Nitrogen. Your correct answer is A. Option C. Both A and B option, यानी कि oxygen and carbon dioxide. Respiration is the process of breathing which involves the inhalation of oxygen and the exhalation of carbon dioxide. Question number 21. The respiratory system is primarily responsible for A. Circulating blood, B. Digesting food, C. Excreting waste, D. Gas exchange. Your correct answer is D. Gas exchange. The respiratory system is responsible for gas exchange, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Question number 22. The primary muscle of respiration is the A. Diaphragm, B. Heart, C. Lungs, D. Liver. Your correct answer is A. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is the primary muscle of the respiration, is contract and flattened during inhalation, expanding the chest cavity and drawing air into the lungs. Question number 23. The respiratory system include all of the following aspect: A. Lungs, B. Trachea, C. Bronchi, D. Kidneys. Your correct answer is D. Kidneys. The kidneys are part of the urinary system, not the respiratory system. Question number 24. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs occur in the A. Bronchi, B. Alveoli, C. Trachea, D. Diaphragm. Your correct answer is B. Alveoli. The alveoli are teeny air sacs in the lungs where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place. Question number 25. Smoking can damage the respiratory system by A. Destroying alveoli, B. Paralyzing cilia, C. Increasing mucus production, D. All of the above. Your correct answer is D. All of the above. Smoking damages the respiratory system in several ways, including destroying alveoli, paralyzing cilia, teeny hairs that help clear the airways, and increasing mucus production.